holding like this with two hands, and then you beep. Like I did.
What are you doing, Zoe?
I'm trying to. That's okay. You can. I'll find it. Mommy.
Smells like yeah.
Daddy. Mommy. Oh, okay, Mommy. I'll use this.
What are you doing, Zoe?
I'm trying to make a beep for you. Mommy. Mommy, beep on this side.
Hello? Beep, beep.
Hey, Mommy. That's okay. You can use Daddy. This one. And now you beep. Yes, I'm busy.
Beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. These are cameras. Camera.
I think you're being very silly.
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy, how
Zoe, a tiger. It's a tiger. It's a Florida tiger. Do you see it? Oh, it's coming. He's coming. He's got you. He's got you. He's got you. He's got you.
Dad, yeah.
That was me.
We're in a swamp. We're in
Hey,
a
Mommy.
swamp.
I saw some rabbits over there. Hey, Daddy, I just saw some rabbits.
Rabbits.
Way over there.
What color were they?
Brown.
Brown rabbits.
I
How
don't-
many did you see?
yeah.
How many? Did you count them?
No. Hey, Daddy, I see something.
What do you see?
I just think on my feet. Can't see it yet. I
Choo-choo.
see that cameras.
What did you see in Mommy's room out the window?
Oh, we saw
A bear.
a bear.
Up
And we
there.
saw a flamingo.
A
And
flamingo.
we saw a monkey. And we saw a crocodile or crocodile. I don't see anything else yet. Well, I do see some trash.
You do?
It's
Oh,
not
no.
that garbage trash.
That's not good.
Somebody could get sick.
Yeah. You have hair in your mouth.
And they will have to go to the dentist.
The dentist?
Yeah.
Is that who you go to when you're sick?
Yeah.
Do you see any lions out there?
Not yet.
Crocodiles? You see any crocodiles?
Crocodiles are not at that one, though. I think I left them here. You. Hey, Daddy,
Yeah.
I see a wolf.
A wolf? What color is it?
Back.
Black wolf? What do you think its name is?
Meredith.
Meredith?
Meredith.
Oh.
I think maybe its name is Goggy.
Crocky?
No, Goggy.
Goggy? I thought that was your name. I thought your name was Goggy.
This is for the camera.
Yeah, now the camera can't see anything.
There.
There we go. I thought your name was Goggy.
No.
Are you Baby Horsey?
Yeah. Mom,
Or are you Pifka?
They push it and beep.
What does Pifka sound like?
Meow. I have.
You remember the doggies Mikey and Molly
No.
at Grandma's house?
Mama.
Do you remember the doggies at Grandma and Pop-Pop's house?
No.
Yeah, they go, yip, 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 yip.
Yup.
Mikey and Molly? Remember Mikey and Molly?
I'm painting you.
You're painting me.
I'm painting your shirt.
Well, that doesn't sound like a good thing.
Paint.
Do you want to say hello to Grandma and Pop-Pop?
No.
No.
Oh, can you put this table down?
Only if you go and sit back in your seat.
There you go. I see a bottle.
That's my water bottle. That's okay. I'm drinking that. Thank you, honey.